tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have another Jordan 1 Travis Scott collaboration. We got the Fragment joint on deck for you guys to see. It's the Fragment Low. I know I did these ones previously. I did these ones a while back and I haven't touched the shoe since. They send these ones a lot. And me, I just don't like doing doubles and triples of videos. You guys know that it's a pet peeve of mine. I like to get one shoe and I like to keep it pushing. A lot of other people like to get multiple shoes and review them and all of that, but that's just not me. I like to just show you guys a glance and then just keep it pushing. That's just me. But anyway, we do have another one. This one is from Rose. They went ahead and sent these ones over for a quick review. All right, so I'm gonna show you the details and we'll just jump in and jump out. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. All the things that people say in their other videos, please do that here. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out that Reels page. I try to put stuff up there that I have done before and some stuff that I haven't done that you might be interested in. So go ahead and check that out. Also, for all the Where to Cops and all that good stuff, make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Go ahead and check us out there. We have a lot of good people in there that like to help people find shoes, Where to Cops, everything. So you can reach me there as well. All right, so I'm not really gonna spend too much time on this shoe because I've already reviewed it and a lot of people have already seen this shoe. What I will say is, depending on whatever batch you get, the consistency of the leather or anything else is going to be different. It is what it is, and it goes without saying. As you would see with many other reviewers online, they have reviewed many different batches of this shoe. Some of them have reviewed maybe 6 and 7 pairs. Me, I try not to go that far. I really try not to go that far because my sole purpose is to just show you the shoe. I can get a retail shoe and show it to you. I try to get early rep pairs to show you exactly what we're getting because that's just what I like to do. I'd like to get the shoe, let you see it, something physical in hand instead of just a picture. And that's my goal, all right? Everybody else's goal is different, but that's my goal, is just to show it to you, okay? In recent events, the Travis Scott collaboration with the Jordan 1, I think, has ended. So they're not gonna be doing all of these different crazy collaborations with Jordan 1s anymore. They're gonna be going to a different shoe. They might be going to a 3. I think there's some rumors that they're going to a 6 or a 7 or something like that. So that's also in the works. Let's jump right in. We have, you know, Fragment color blocking. We got our white, we have our black around the eyelets here, and then we have our black around that toe box right there, which looks pretty good. The leather on this shoe is primarily a flatter type of leather. You're not gonna get that crazy grain. You're gonna get a little bit of this tumbling if you press it, but I mean, the leather quality is pretty good on this pair. I can't complain. I think the other pair was a little bit softer of a leather. This one is a little bit more rigid, so when it creases, it's gonna crease relatively harder. You know, you're not going to have all that tumbled leather that you would see on some toe boxes to kind of hide some of those creases, but this is going to look good when it creases. I think so. It's definitely a little bit firmer of a leather. It's not as soft as the previous pair I did. The toe box looks pretty good. It's very nice. It does look okay. And you guys can see I'm pressing that leather right there. So you can see it does have some give to it. It's all right. It's spongy, it's springy. It comes back. So not bad there. We still have our oversized Nike swoosh, which is backwards on that mid panel with that cream or sail in the background right there. It looks good. This is kind of more of an aged sail. And then you do have that like pink leather right there. You see that grain in there. You do have that around there. We have our blue on the heel, our aged. It's kind of like a royal blue and it's a little aged. It looks nice there. We have our aged midsole, which looks good. We have our royal blue outsole, and this too is aged as well. It looks a little different on the camera, but it is aged. It looks like it might be a little bit of a worn down blue, so it looks good. Heel of the shoe, we have our Cactus Jack, and we have our Jordan logo right there, our Wings logo, which looks nice. A lot of these other pairs, these early pairs, had some issues with the embroidery, or the embossment rather, right here. This I can say is in the shoe. It's actually stamped in the shoe well. I'll put this up to the screen so you can see. You can see it's actually pressed in there. So that is good. This is probably the best embossment I've seen. So it goes to show you that they really did perfect this. Like, this is bumping out. It's all rigid. You guys can see that right there. It's bumping out. It looks good. Definitely looks good right there. The stitching right there looks nice. You know, no loose stitches. It's not all loose. This is actually down to the shoe. It's actually flat onto it, so it is stitched well. Medial side of the shoe looks relatively like the outside of the shoe. Nothing crazy. This Cactus Jack right here behind this Nike swoosh, it does have 3M in it. I can see it in the light, but you probably can't see it, but I can see it. And then you do have like your styling code or barcode right here, so that's pretty cool. It says tooling code, so you got that right there. We do get extra sets of laces with these joints. We get our pink, we get black, and we get blue, which is more of an aged blue, so we still get that aged blue coming through. Tongue of the shoe is that sail color, that cream color. It looks kind of pink on the screen, but in hand it doesn't look pink. I can tell you that. It looks like this. I don't know why it looks like that here, but it does look like this in hand. It doesn't look pink. We have our Nike Air tab right there, which looks okay. This might be a little down further right there, and it might need to be pushed up. It should be up a little bit more, maybe like this. But, you know, to each his own. We have our Fragment design on this shoe right here. And on the other shoe, we have Cactus Jack, which is right here. Looks pretty good. Insole of the shoe is your standard foam insole. It's blue. You know, Dream Cell stuff in this. They weren't really doing the Dream Cell when the shoe came out. But, you know, standard foam stuff. Not bad. It is sticky, so it's going to stick in the shoe. And that's pretty much it. If I had to rate this particular batch on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably go with a solid 8.5, 9. I think it's good. I think the materials are good. I have nothing to complain about with the shoe. It is nice. I mean, if this is your look, you know, and you guys actually really like this shoe, I would say to go for it. Get it whatever means you need to. If you want to pay the money on StockX and go ahead. If you want to do it by any other means, go ahead. The choice is yours. Just hit us up in the Discord. We will help you out if you need it, if you need to try and find your pair or whatever pair that you desire. Okay, construction and materials, like I said, you know, 8.5, 9. Colorway is calm, so about an 8.5, 9. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. So that's all I got for this review, y'all. This is the second one I've done. I hope I'm not doing another one, but this is a more updated batch just so you guys can see it. It does fit true to size. You guys can hit up Rose if you guys are interested in talking to them and figuring out what they're about. They're on Instagram. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So I'm on to the next shoe. I will see you guys on the next one. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.